Hello guys, welcome to Learn Trading Tricks. Today I am showing you how to place an order in Alice Blue app. Okay guys, before that please subscribe my YouTube channel. I am mentioning in description. Okay, click on the link and subscribe it. Okay guys, thank you. And this is my profit today. I made 2500. Okay, let's begin the topic. Placing order in Alice Blue is very simple guys. First of all, you have to select the stock which you want to buy. From here search option is there, click on it, then select the stock which you want to buy. I am preferring Bank Nifty. Call option 38,200. Okay, I am selecting and done. Okay, then placing order is click on this stock. After clicking it, it will appear like this: buy and sell options. Okay, then click on buy option. After clicking it, it will appear like this screen. There is a number of options like a regular, BO, CO, AMO. It means first one is BO means bracket order, CO is cover order, AMO is after market open, and then second option is order type. There is four options like limit and market, SL, SLM. SL means stop loss, SLM means stop loss market. Okay, and then bottom side is select product type is NRML and MAS. NRML, MAS, and select validation. Every time you have to use day only. Click on day options only. Then bottom line is buy option. Okay, first I will show you on regular option how to place an order in regular. Okay, regular means full amount is yours. You need to buy with your own money. Okay, and then second option is limit means is nothing but you have to choose as you like. If you want now premium is 175 is running, right? The premium is 175 now running. Then if you think it's a very high, then you have to select the less price. So mention it on price section. Suppose you want to buy at 150 or 160, for example. I want to buy at 160, right? Okay, I mention on the price option. Okay, if it comes from 175 to 160, then it will automatic it will exit. Okay, and then you have to select the normal and day. Okay, after that you place on order buy option. Here it's showing like a quantity options also. There is a quantity option. If you want to buy more quantities, then you have to select it. The Bank Nifty lot size is 25. Okay, if you select as 100, then as your wish based on your amount. Okay, then place the order buy option. Click on the buy. After that you will get like this: your order has been placed successfully. It will show you on here complete option. It's rejected because market is closed right now. Okay, that's why it's rejected. Otherwise it will show you complete option executed. Okay, and then the next option is bracket order. Bracket order is not related to us because as per SEBI guidelines there is not providing any margins like that. But on cover order it will give you 1 to 2 times, okay, margin by from the company. You can place order with cover order also. There is select the cover order option, and then select order type means limit or market. Its market means whatever the live trading premium value, it will take that price only. So for example, it's running now 175. If you select the option like a market, then it will take the order at 175 only. After in cover order, main thing you have to put stop loss also. Here it's giving. There is a range also, which you have to put between in 149 to 182 only. So for example, I am selecting 150 and market option, and then you have to select the quantity also, 50 or 75 or 100 as your wish. After that you place the order, click on buy option. After that you will get like your order has been placed successfully. Okay guys, after execute you have to see on portfolio option. Here is the portfolio option. It will run here MTM. Okay, and then next option is after market open. After market open means if in pre-market also you can place an order. Okay, at 9 o'clock also you can place order. Market will open at 9:15. After opens market, it will take direct price. Okay, you can select market or limit, whatever it is, you can place in pre-market only. Before 9:15 only also you can place an order, that means AMO. Stop loss is nothing but what you have to save risk with this stop loss. If you lost more amount, it will save you to not lose too much of amount. Okay, and the market also same. You have to place on stop loss order is in trigger price. You have to select here 150 or 160 is the price. You are buying here at 160, and stop loss is 150. That's it. It's very simple guys. Just you check once, and it's very easy to operate an Alice Blue app. Okay, thank you very much guys. Today is enough. If you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. I will reply you everything. Okay guys, thank you very much.